Okay, just wanted to share about what I experienced today. So my day ended with talking to one of my school friend, and it was a wonderful conversation. She shared her experience, and I shared my experience, my plans, and we both were frustrated. I was not frustrated. She was frustrated about her studies, but I was able to convince her to some extent, and yeah, she is now happy. And apart from that, uh, the I think the founder members of Osmosis.in. It's a new freelancing platform which charges zero commission, and it's a Indian-based freelancing platform. So they approached me through LinkedIn, and we had a call on Google Meet, and they explained me about the platform, and tomorrow my account will be created in their platform, and it's a great one if you're an Indian and are looking for some alternative for Fiverr.com or freelancing platform like that without charging any commission. This can be one of them. And apart from that, I had a Clappingo English session with Megha Nayak again. So this is the day 2 of my paid Clappingo session, and it was great one. She corrected me, and yeah, and apart from that, I received a welcome kit from Digital Deepak, and what and all are involved in welcome kit. For that, you should click in the description, because I made a post about that on my Instagram. So, and the I think the marketing person of Plum HQ, it's a SEO writing agency, I think. So he approached me via LinkedIn and asked me for a full-time job as a SEO content writer, and I had to refuse because I can't give my full-time over there, because I am into a startup and internships and many other stuff. Along with that, I am not even graduated. I am in my final year of computer science engineering. So I had to politely refuse him, and yesterday I didn't finish my DDIP assignment, and I thought I would finish, and I also said you. But what happened is I got an idea about creating a startup. Like there was some idea. Okay, uh, his name is Eddie Eastman. He has an idea of he has a company called as Startup Streams, and where he will give you some ready-made online business, and you can alter it to some extent, and then you can create your own business by adding your flavor and stuff. So it would be a really big help, and I can start my own business tomorrow or this week as well. If you have some money to invest on that product, I think it was around $180 plus monthly $30 something. So I was thinking about that to start my own business, but I will wait a bit because I want to think more about it. um, then apart from that, yeah, that's about it, I guess. Yeah, that's how my day ended, and I applied for some jobs today, and one more thing I noticed is I have so many emails in my 10th standard. So I had a craze of a game which is called as Clash of Clans. Some of you might know it if you are a boy who watching this. I'm not sure how many girls play that game, but yeah, about that, to make different accounts, different profile, I needed to have so many Gmails, and that's how I have so many Gmails. So today I was just checking through all my existing Gmails, and noticed for one Gmail I had got a job offer, and I had to respond it back. I still didn't haven't responded, but I will soon. Then apart from that, I have messed up in my college assignments, and I'm working towards it. I still have to finish it fast. Yeah, that's how my day ended, and I will stop the recording.